A properly configured gradebook helps students monitor progress and gives faculty a clearer picture of course performance. This video demonstrates how to set up the Blackboard Ultra gradebook and configure the overall grade. So this is the class I have here. It consists of two modules. Once you have done building your assignments, activities, discussions, and quizzes, we'll go ahead and set up the grade center. So we're going to go to our gradebook. And if this is a brand new course shell that you've been working on, the overall grade column will more than likely not appear here. So you're going to have to set that up from scratch. If you scroll down to your gradebook, you will see this little purple book here that says set up the overall grade. So we're going to set it up. I'm going to hit set it up. And you have the options of selecting points, weighted, or advanced. For this example, we're going to keep it real simple and stick to a grade point distribution with simple points. And I recommend that you keep your syllabus or your grade point distribution open side by side on a separate window or on another monitor, and make sure that it aligns with your grade center in Blackboard. So we're going to go back to our gradebook, and I'm going to say next. And if I expand these categories, I will see that my assignments have been added to my assignment category, my discussions have been added to my discussion categories, and my quizzes that I've created have been added to the test category. So I'm going to go back to my grade point distribution and see that I have two assignments, 100 points each, two discussions, 100 points each, two quizzes, one is 15 and one is 0, giving me a total of 415 points. Now I'm going to go back to my gradebook and see that it all aligns up or matches with my syllabus. And I'm going to see that's 415 points. So my overall grade column is looking good. Now you also have the options of selecting how the overall grade is displayed. So for the overall grade column, I'm going to set mine as percentage. And now it's going to display the grades as percentages. Once everything looks good, I'm going to hit save. Then I'll X out of here. And now we can see that my overall grade column has been set up. So if I go to this view, I'll see that I have my overall grade right here. So that is pretty much how you set up your gradebook and enable the overall grade column in your Blackboard Ultra course.